We've encouraged wineries to share some of their favorite recipes, like recipes you serve the cellar crew, or recipes that you serve when you have your friends over. The idea is to really help people understand how to better pair their favorite recipes with wines.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you are in the world. Welcome to Sonoma County, where life opens up. Well, for a destination known for special events, few capture the essence of fall and harvest season like the Wine and Food Affair. So today we're talking with Beth Costa, Executive Director of Wine Road here in Sonoma County.
You know, everybody talks about their favorite wine, but they really also talk about what they served with it. You know, food and wine is just, they go hand in hand. And so we thought we really need an event that focuses on that. The Wine and Food Affair is really about food pairing. Really, we represent a lot of small wineries that wouldn't have a marketing department or a way to really meet new people. They really sit with their caterer and they open up a lot of wines and they figure out what they want to focus on, and they really do pair the right recipe with it. I mean, they put a lot of care into what they're going to be serving. We probably have 10 years worth of recipes on our website. You can see all the enthusiasm and energy that the wineries have for harvest. And so I talked to people who came, 15 years ago, and they still have some, pumpkin soup recipe that they tasted that they, have to make 2 or 3 times a year because they love it.
For details and more information about Wine and Food Affair, go to wineroad.com.